Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty. Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
But I ain't 5-0, y'all know it's Nas, yo. Grey Goose and a whole lot of hydro. Only
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
with finesse in the white tee, looking for wifey. Thug girl who fly and talk so nicely. Put her in the coupe so she can feel the nice breeze. We can drive through the city, no doubt, but don't say my car's topless. Say the titties is out. Newness, here's the anthem. Put your hand up that you shoot with, count your loot with. Push the pool stick in your new crib, same hand that you hoop with. Swing around like you stupid. King of the town, yeah, I've been that. You know I click clack, where you and your men's at. Through the Smurf, through the WAP baseball bat. Rooftop like we bringing 88 back. They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters, where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters? Where them dimes at? They shooting. I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Getting big money, playboy, your time's up. Where them gangsters at? Where them dimes at?
Come to the club, step aside. On the seats, don't be heavy in the lounge. VIP, cause you know I gotta shine. Love you bird, give me love you long time. All my girls get down on the floor. Back to back, drop it down real loud.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
London Bridge, wanna go down like. Wanna go down like. We going down like.
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Wanna go down like. We going down like. Drinks start pouring and my speech starts slurring. Everybody start looking for the shoes. That Grey Goose got your girl feeling loose. Now I'm wishing that I didn't wear these shoes. It's like every time I get up on the do, paparazzi put my business in the news. And I get up on my face. Boy, I turn around and spray your ass with me. My lips make you wanna have a taste. You got that? I got the face. How come every time you come around my London Bridge, wanna go down like.
going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today.
If I was a wealthy girl, no man can test me. Invest me, my cash flow would never ever end.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
If I was a wealthy girl, think what that money could bring. I'd buy everything. Clean up every invoice, would hit my galley on a gown. No, wouldn't just have one hood. A Hollywood mansion if I could. Please put me first class to my fancy house in London town. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby, and nothing is better than gold. And I know if I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl, no man can test me. Invest me, my cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? What? Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what?
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down top, don't lie.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Don't lie. Got the hazard on.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Don't lie. Got the hazard on, only gon' fly. You can put your hands on that.
Now, we are going to be using nail stickers for our simple nail art design.
Hazard on, only gon' fly. You can catch me leaving.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel. goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Keep you right here. I can do what I got to do, so baby, call me. I'll put a day and night. I'm never leaving. You don't have to be alone. I come anywhere you want, baby. Just pick up the phone and call on me. So you know, I know you be a home. So there it goes. So there it goes. You got the middle girl like it break me down. It's like I get caught in the middle, like you get caught up a little anytime she's around. I've been posted waiting on him, looking to catch that head, doing whatever, whenever, never for that I said. Then when you want to get what you need, if you wanna receive it, please believe you can.
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Girl, I must warn you, I sense something strange in my mind. Yeah, yo, situation is let's cure it cause we're running out of time. It's all so relationships they seem from the start. Yeah, it's all so love is not together from the heart. Check it out. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is poison. You just big button smile. That girl is poison. If I were you, I'd take precaution. Before I step
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY, how-to, making money online, all in one video.
also relationship.